Action. Kidding. Okay, we're not gonna do stupid shit. I thought it was recording already.
Corte. Is it actually a bolt?
No.
It's a clamp, bro.
Okay, so
It's fucking...
we got.
The clamp. Which clamp is it?
Look, so far we've gotten all these clamps.
Except for that one.
There's clamp here.
Clamp.
Clamp here.
Yeah.
This is a shit ton, bro.
It's just like these.
there.
But it's just fucking...
You'll see.
Behind that bitch.
Corte. Okay, boys. So we got George over here. Got my friend Jason over here. He's helping. So we have to take off this clamp, this clamp, this clamp. And this is a shit ton of fucking clamps, bro, that you have to get rid of. Yeah. But we can't get to two. There's one clamp somewhere around here. The same goes with this side. This is the only two clamps to get the bumper off. Don't look at my license plate. Nah, it's a.
Show them your new one, bro. Show them your new one.
Alright, so this is an old bumper. It wasn't fitting right. I got this bumper right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's primed. And it has a little clamps. So and then I also got, I want to go ahead and buy some fog lights for it. For these. And turns out it came out with the wiring harness. It's right here. But, oh, you got it?
Yeah, he's getting it. Hold on.
Gotcha, boy.
Yee, bet. Legit, we had been working on this bumper for like an hour and a half. Right.
We started this at 12.
Yeah, and then it's like 1:30. Right now it's 4 o'clock.
What? Get it? Yeah, bro. Wait, did you just force it out? Yeah, bro.
It's fucking bullshit, right?
Hey, I didn't want to break it. Okay, that's my whole thing. Hey, but what about your license plate, bro? Like, what the fuck?
We'll be back. We'll be back.
Finally got it off.
We have to take off the license plate. But y'all ready for this? HD hood, bro. Where you at? Next up, boys. Crespo wing. Right around this area. Boom. All right. Well, we'll be back.
I wouldn't fucking do that shit, bro. It's fucking stupid.
Do what?
That, I don't know why they doing it, bro.
Maybe they drilled it.
Like, even this is fine. Just like having it like that.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, you're right.
If anything, it's this, bro.
Yeah, it's just that. It's not like I need my license plates, right? Shit.
Yeah, you fucking need it, but.
Just do what I did. To tight.
Or.
Okay.
There.
Or.
Damn it.
Put this shit right here and these right here.
Alright, well, I'm recording right now, so I'm gonna talk to the camera. Ready?
Or who knows?
Action. So right now we have this bumper off. See how it doesn't have any fogs, and I don't want to freaking cut it and make it look all
nasty.
all whack and stuff. And then
Why not put
this one, she has them, you know. And then, well, this is how it's looking right now. Alright, boys, we're gonna put this little part, that part, and this one,
So.
and this bumper.
Do it for me.
So
Wait, no.
we'll catch y'all here in a bit. Boom.
What do you got? 4 left?
Yeah, we got 4 left. Or 2.
What do you mean 2?
Yeah, bro. Okay. 3 left. Yeah, we're running out of them, bro.
Where the other ones at?
There's supposed to be one more, isn't it? Oh, wait. No, never mind.
You still got that one? You still got this one right here?
Yeah, I got this one and this one.
So there was only 4.
Yeah, I thought there was. I mean, we only took out 4. So, unless.
I think these are right here.
No, these were right here, right, George? Right.
Maybe.
These were right here.
Alright.
Yeah, we'll just leave it. Not a
Leave
big
it.
difference. Yeah.
Alright, no hard for it. Huh? Putting it back on. You
Yeah.
want to take off those stickers?
Huh? Yeah, sure, huh?
It is not from China, people.
Fuck!
Fuck! Damn, you fucked up.
Looks so crappy.
You're gonna fuck up that one too.
No, pero es impaciente.
Fuck you. Alright, it's gonna fit good, bro.
I already see the difference, bro.
Do you? Hold up, I want to see it.
Big. Are you serious?
Damn, son. You're right. It looks meaner.
Go on that YouTube.
Alright, well, ahí está. There's a finished product. Yeah. Así es. And a little update on the C10. We got the tailgate on. I think say so. I got some bolts in. Hey, can you hold it real quick? See, guys, tailgate on. Nasty ass roll pan that we're gonna take off.
Hell yeah, fuck that roll pan. About to take it off, get a chrome one.
Yeah, it's about to go off, man.
Done with it.
There you go.
I want to take these old ones off and see if these new ones
fit.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm like hella itchy, bro, because it's
Nah, bro.
the grass. Yeah. Damn. Look at that. Yeah. Bro, is the truck turned on or what? Yeah, hell yeah, it is. I gotta represent my 6.0, you know. It looks good, it blends in. Alright guys, we're back. We went ahead and installed the fog lights. The down part is that the fog lights are yellow, so, and there was no bulb for it. I mean, so these turn on good, but
How does that look?
doesn't look bad, bro. I wish these turned white.
You can always ride like that though, like this.
Oh fuck. But yeah, we're just testing them out, so we're gonna go ahead and get them bolted on. Alright guys, so the fogs and bumper are installed already. Right now he's just bolting it up, making it not fall. Y ahí estamos. Ahora vamos a ver. Let me see.
You got it?
Hell yeah.
Now we'll just wait till it gets dark and see how they look. Alright, so it's dark now. Let's see how they look. A ver cómo se mira.
Ready?
Yeah. Not bad. I would just turn on the truck. And take the lights off and then yeah. Now turn them on. Like that.
That's it, guys. That's all we have for today. See you on the next one. Peace.